Guys, welcome back. Right, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a rose gold dog tags. Right, so this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna use the F1 today. So this is the color of it. It's actually rose gold. Okay, I'm going to use the F1 to engrave the name, the emoji, and the phone number onto this. Right, so I'll go into the XCS, onto the XCS screen down here. So this is the emoji that you can be able to find around. Yeah, okay, so if you want to look for your emojis, okay, you can actually get it from here. So it's in XCS, right? So I got the emoji, the cute dog is actually from here, right? So you use your font, okay, whatever font that you want. Okay, you click onto the text down here. The font you actually choose from here, right? So this is the font which are in your computer. Okay, so I go with the standard one, the Lato. All right, so that is the font. All right, so we go into the settings for this particular one. The default of if we go into the dog bone, okay, there is a preset settings for the stainless steel dog bone down here, right? But they are actually using the blue light, so the end of the results that I'm not very keen, and I'm not very satisfied with the results by using blue. So for this particular case, I'm going to use the IR. Right, so the IR, the power I'm using is 95, the speed I'm using is 15, and the lines per cm is 120. Right, so I will go into the process. First of all, you have to connect your F1. All right, make sure it is in green in color, make sure that is Wi-Fi connect. Right, then you go into the process to make sure that they are in frame. Okay, after when it's processed, we can hit the process and we will send the file over to the machine. So after we frame, okay, we already sent the file over to the machine. Okay, so we're going to press the start button using the IR. Okay, I'm going to close it. Okay, and we will hit the power button. Okay, it's proceeding with the IR. Okay, I'm using the IR on this rose gold dog tag. All right, so it's being done. We'll take a look. Okay, wow, it's a deep black. If you can really take a look. Okay, so it's deep blacks. Okay, here in focus. Okay, so I hope you've been followed so far. So I'll see you in the next one.